Model 2018 IVECO Daily 35S12 Diesel 2.3 Van 3520WB runs fine spares OR repairs bargain. Body white, panel van. Mileage 96,892. Engine 2287 cc F1 AGL411HC. Transmission 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs perfect. Intermittent starter motor problem. Once turns over drives completely fine, start motor will need replacing soon, EGR cooler is leaking will need replacing. Looking at the mechanic's view, it could be a very simple fix of just the EGR cooler being replaced. Starstruck, it is a very hard van to diagnose. Be prepared for a head gasket replacement at worst case. Price for worst case scenario, drooling face. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, reversing camera, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description.